They were tripping over themselves to pass the Genius Act. And you have to ask yourself, why? Why were these politicians tripping over themselves to get this thing passed? And the answer is really simple. They needed a buyer for all their debt. And the buyer is the stablecoin issuers. And it's really interesting to see how that all really transpired and really came to a head. Is the government had to start issuing shorter and shorter duration paper because there was no buyers for anything that was long duration because there was so much inflation risk. So they're down there like issuing 1 month money, and it's who's going to buy all this 1 month money? You know what? The stablecoin issuers literally, they love that because they can back everything. They can gobble up all this new issuance. They don't have the inflation risk that if they were buying 30-year paper, they don't want that inflation risk because they don't know if it's going to be fully backed, or they'd have to keep rolling it to try to manage that. But if it's really short duration, it's actually perfect for them. And then the really smart ones, what are they going to do with all the coupons that they're receiving? They're just going to sweep it into Bitcoin. And then it's really backed because that thing's going up at 40 to 50% annualized. It's like extra over collateralized. What I find so interesting with all of this is you literally have BlackRock and all these other banks that are playing a fractional reserve game. They don't even have what they're issuing in the vault. But yet you have a company that's fully collateralized with extra Bitcoin in the vault, and they're making more profit than the ones that are playing the Ponzi game. And they're getting the issue like literally from thin air, and they're making more money than them. If that doesn't show you like the natural market forces that nature is trying to heal itself, I don't know what does. Because it's miraculous to me that you can have something that's over collateralized just whipping the pants off of the ones that are literally cheating as if it's a total Ponzi scheme.